I've bought and tested these 30-inch gas ranges so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. These reviews come from real-world experiences, not just specs on paper. Let's dive into these top picks and see which one truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. Product number 1. Vever 30-inch gas cooktop. The Vever 30-inch gas cooktop is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. When I first unboxed it, I was immediately impressed by the sleek stainless steel design that not only looks great, but also promises durability. With 5 burners, including a maximum output of 12,250 BTU, this cooktop ensures that you have the power needed for any culinary task, from simmering delicate sauces to boiling water in a matter of minutes. I remember the first time I tried it out. I had a pot of water boiling in record time, and I could easily multitask with the other burners without losing heat. One of the standout features is its thermocouple protection system. As a safety-conscious cook, knowing that it automatically shuts off the gas supply if the flame goes out gives me peace of mind, especially with kids around. I've had my share of kitchen mishaps, and it's nice to have a safety net. The burners are designed for versatility. I could fry, steam, and boil all at the same time. Cleaning is a breeze, too. The stainless steel surface is easy to wipe down, and the cast iron grates are sturdy enough to hold large pots without wobbling. Product number 2. Top Wish 30-inch gas cooktop. I was excited to try out the Top Wish 30-inch gas cooktop, especially with its promise of high efficiency and professional-grade performance. Unpacking it, I was struck by the quality of the 304 stainless steel finish. It feels robust and gives a professional touch to my kitchen. The first thing that caught my eye was the 5 SABAF burners, including a powerful 12,000 BTU triple-ring wok burner. This feature was a game changer for me. I often whip up stir fries, and this burner had me boiling water in no time while keeping my other dishes simmering. Each burner is designed to deliver stable flames thanks to the advanced burner technology that ensures an optimal mix of gas and oxygen. I've noticed a significant reduction in my cooking time, which is a huge win for someone always on the go. Safety is another highlight. The automatic flame failure detection system instantly cuts off the gas supply if the flame goes out, preventing any potential hazards. This gave me a great sense of security during my cooking sessions. Cleaning this cooktop is straightforward as well. The fully sealed burners prevent food from getting trapped, and the removable grates are easy to handle. Product number 3. DG Ieyasu Gas Range. When I first laid eyes on the DG Ieyasu gas range, I was captivated by its all-in-one design. It's perfect for compact kitchens, combining a 20-inch gas cooktop with a spacious 60L oven. I immediately thought about how much space I could save in my kitchen. The 4 burners offer a range of heating capabilities, with one powerful 2.2 kilowatt burner that made quick work of boiling pasta for dinner. The electronic ignition is another feature I appreciate. Just a push and the burners light up seamlessly. I remember the first time I tried the oven for baking. It heats up evenly and has ample space for a good-sized roast or multiple trays of cookies. The classic black finish gives it a modern aesthetic that fits well with any decor. However, I did find that the oven's temperature can fluctuate a bit more than I'd like, so I recommend getting an oven thermometer for precision baking. Additionally, being pre-configured for LPG means that if you're using natural gas, you'll need to switch some settings. But overall, at $569.99, this range offers great value for those looking to maximize space without sacrificing functionality. If you're tight on space but still want a reliable gas range, this one is worth considering. Product number 4. Amskatch Built-In Gas Cooktop. The Amskatch built-in gas cooktop caught my attention with its promise of high efficiency and powerful performance. With 5 Italy sub-off burners, including a tri-ring center burner that pushes out 20,000 BTUs, I was eager to see how it measured up in my kitchen. The first time I turned it on, I was blown away by how quickly it heated up. Cooking a big batch of stir-fried vegetables was a breeze. The flames were stable, and I could control the heat perfectly. One feature that stood out to me was the 2-in-1 reversible grill and griddle. On one side, I cooked up a stack of pancakes, and on the other, I grilled some juicy burgers. The heavy-duty cast iron construction made me feel confident that it would last. This cooktop is also LPG NG convertible, which is a big plus for anyone looking to switch gas types. However, I did find the installation a bit daunting. The cutout dimensions require precision, so make sure to measure twice. At $284.99, product number 5, Aliexpress 30-inch gas cooktop. I was drawn to the Aliexpress 30-inch gas cooktop because of its promise of versatility and efficiency. This cooktop features 5 powerful burners, including a center burner with a max output of 20,000 BTUs, which is ideal for high-heat cooking. The first time I used it, I was impressed by how quickly it brought water to a boil. The thermal efficiency is listed at 95%, and I could feel that in my cooking time. The design is sleek in stainless steel, making it easy to clean. I appreciate that the burners are sealed, preventing messes from dripping down into the inner workings. The flame failure detection system provides an extra layer of safety. I can't stress enough how important it is to have that peace of mind when cooking. The only downside I noticed was that the knobs can be a bit sensitive. Sometimes it takes a gentle touch to adjust the flame without it jumping up or down too drastically. Priced at $279.99, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their cooking. Overall, if you're after a high-performing, stylish gas cooktop, you can't go wrong with this one. In conclusion, whether you're looking for powerful burners, safety features, or ease of cleaning, these top 30-inch gas ranges have something for everyone. After testing each one, I can confidently say these are excellent choices that will elevate your cooking experience. Don't forget to check them out before making your purchase.